Today we talk about how can you find your block list on your CiCi app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on block list. You just click on it. Then here you will find all block lists you have. I have no users here, but if you have it in your block list, you will find it here in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.